Ever wondered how crucial railways are to the global economy? These iron veins coursing through the world's landscapes are not just about transportation. They're the lifelines that move goods and people, stimulate economic growth, and create countless jobs. Railways are pivotal contributors to a country's gross domestic product, or GDP, essentially underpinning economies. As we ponder over this, our journey has only just begun. Now let's take a trip back in time to discover the origins of this transformative mode of transport. The genesis of railways dates back to the early 19th century. It was in the United Kingdom where the first full-fledged railway network took root. The Stockton and Darlington Railway, opened in 1825, was the world's first public railway to use steam locomotives. It was a 40-kilometre track that initially carried coal from mines near Shildon in County Durham to the port of Stockton-on-Tees. 5 years later, a revolutionary development took place. The Liverpool and Manchester Railway, the first to rely exclusively on steam power, have a double track, and carry both passengers and freight, was opened. This railway not only set a new standard for transport, but also laid the groundwork for modern railway networks. These early railways weren't just about moving coal or people. They symbolized a new era of connectivity, speed, and industrial prowess. From these humble beginnings, railways began to spread across the globe. As the world industrialized, so did the railways. This global transformation saw the expansion of railways across continents, knitting together nations like never before. Europe, where it all began, saw a rapid proliferation of railway lines, connecting cities and countries, and fueling the rise of industrial powerhouses. Then, the Iron Horse galloped across the Atlantic to the Americas. A notable milestone was the completion of the Transcontinental Railroad in the United States in the late 19th century. This audacious project, spanning from the Atlantic to the Pacific, symbolized the conquest of the vast American frontier. In Asia, too, the railways made their mark. The most prominent example is the Trans-Siberian Railway in Russia, a gargantuan feat of engineering that bridged the European and Asian continents. This railway, the longest in the world, became a lifeline for Russia, facilitating the movement of people, resources, and ideas across the vast expanse of the country. But the story of railways is not just about expansion. It's also a tale of technological evolution. The puffing steam engines of the 19th century gave way to the electric locomotives of the 20th. And now, in the 21st century, we are witnessing the rise of high-speed trains, whisking passengers across countries at breathtaking speeds. Today, railways are more advanced and vital than ever before. They continue to drive economic growth, foster social integration, and shape the course of human history. And as we look to the future, it's clear that the journey of railways is far from over. In the 21st century, some countries have truly embraced the power of railways. Let's take a journey through the nations boasting the largest railway networks today: the United States, China, Russia, and India. These countries, with their vast railway systems, have understood the economic potential of the rails. In the United States, the sprawling network of tracks spans across the continent, serving as the backbone of commerce and industry. Over in China, the extensive railway system is a testament to the nation's rapid economic growth and development. Russia, with its iconic Trans-Siberian Railway, links the far reaches of this vast country, driving regional economies. And in India, the railways are an integral part of daily life, contributing significantly to the country's GDP and creating millions of jobs. These railway networks are more than just tracks and trains. They are the arteries of their respective economies, pumping life and prosperity into every corner. Indeed, railways remain a driving force in the global economy, connecting people, powering industries, and shaping our world.